Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I am a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we will discuss about ad preview and diagnosis tool in Google Ads. Ad preview and diagnosis tool, a tool provided by Google that allow us to preview our ads as they would appear in Google search result. Why we should use ad preview and diagnosis tool? So let's look the benefit of ad preview. We can see how our ads appear in Google search result without accruing impressions. This helps ensure the ads are displayed as intent and the ad copy, extension and format are correct. Geographic targeting. The tool allows user to simulate searches from different geographic locations. This is particularly useful for us to target specific region as they can see how our ads appear in those areas. Device targeting. User can preview ads on various devices such as desktop, mobile and tablet to ensure that the ads are displayed properly across different platforms. Keyword diagnosis. The tool provides information on why our ads might not be showing for a particular keyword. This could be due to the issues such as low ad rank, budget limitation or keyword status. Performance insight. The tool offers insight into ad performance by showing how ads are performing in real time for specific keyword, helping us to optimize our campaign for better result. Overall, the ad preview and diagnosis tool is an essential resource for us to monitor, manage and optimize our Google Ads campaigns effectively. Now, without wasting the time, let's go to the screen. Now you are on my screen. First of all, you need to log in into your Google Ad account. After that, click Tools and then click Ad Preview and Diagnosis. After clicking on this, you will see multiple options here. Like here you need to add keyword. Here you need to add location. Here you need to select language. Device option here and audience. In the device option we have multiple device like desktop, mobile, tablet, and in the language section we have multiple language. So I am entering one of my keyword which I am targeting in Google Ads. You need to add your targeted keyword here. Need to select the location. You need to select the location which you are targeting in your campaign. Now you need to select the language which you are targeting and here you can select the device. After entering this, you need to click on enter here. After clicking enter, you can see here your ad is showing. It means this is showing the real-time data. So currently our ads is showing and the campaign name is also here. You can see our ads is showing top of the page. So this is how you can use ad preview and diagnosis tool to check the data. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.